Good morning, guys. A new set of words. Number uno, la camisa. Try saying it with me on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. La camisa. Now, this is shirt. Specifically, it's a shirt with buttons. But I really don't want to write shirt with buttons. Like a button-up shirt. If you just want to write shirt, that's okay. All right. But specifically, it's like a dress shirt. Maybe dress shirt. Maybe I should write dress shirt. Too lazy. Just going to write shirt. All right, number 2, los pantalones. Try saying it with me on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Los pantalones. This one's a little longer, so I'm going to give you extra time. But you already know what it is. Pants. Look, it's right there. Pants. Pant. Again, this is more often, we have a special word for blue jeans, so this really does mean like pants, like not the. There's a lot of words for pants in English. You got khakis, blue jeans, jogging pants. I never thought about all the different names we have for pants in English. We love pants in English. Okay, I did something wrong. Why isn't this? Delete this over here. Put the one dead. No, not that one. Don't pay attention to everything I'm doing right now. Just pretend everything's going good. There we go. 2. Oh, now you're seeing number 3. Well, I didn't write pants anyways. For those of you who can't spell pants, there you go. Technically, it should be the pants, the shirt, but you don't have to put the because you are so smart. You know there's always a the in Spanish, and that's because some of our things are boys and some of our things are girls. So technically, all shirts are girl shirts. I know that doesn't make any sense. Don't worry about it. You don't have to learn it yet. Just know that we say camisa, la camisa. Los pantalones. All pants are boy pants. I know, right? Even if you're a girl and you're wearing pants, technically they're boys. Their gender is male. Again, don't worry about it. Just write it down. La blusa. Let's try saying it. Blusa. 1, 2, 3. La blusa. And that's a girl's shirt, technically called a blouse. For those boys who don't know what blouses are, don't worry, you're completely normal. Why would you know it? Wait, that's not how you spell it. B-L-O-U-S-E. What am I do there? B-L-O-U-S-E. There we go. Blouse. All right, let us continue. Next, we have la falda. Try saying it with me on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. La falda. And that is how we say skirt in Espanol, in Spanish. Skirt. Okay, next up, one of my favorite words. I love the Z's in Spanish. Los zapatos. Los zapatos. On the count of three, let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Los zapatos. And that means shoes, usually referring to dress shoes, because we have a special word for gym shoes and tennis shoes. And again, I never thought about how many words we have for shoes in English. Dress shoes, tennis shoes, penny loafers. I'm sure there's more shoes. Clogs. So we're just going to write shoes. Oh, good. I hear some people already telling me what this one is. Las sandalias. It's only complicated because there's so many different parts. But if you just say sand, al, ias, sandalias. Try saying it with me in the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Las sandalias. And as you've already said, that's sandals. Oopsie, I spelled sandals wrong. There we go. What? English is tough to spell. Sandals doesn't sound like A-L. Sandals. Sandals. And remember that when you have to spell things in Spanish, I'm going to judge you as harshly as you've judged me. All right, number 7, los guantes. 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 Try saying it with me. 1, 2, 3. Los guantes. And those are gloves. Los guantes. And our list is long today because 5th graders, yes, this is only for you. And this is going to be your last group of words. El sombrero. Sombrero. El sombrero. Trying to say it with me on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. El sombrero. El sombrero. Good. El sombrero is a hat. Specifically, it's the Mexican style hat. You know, the big circle guys. But we use it for everything now. Sombrero. All right, number 9. Okay, I'll go slower then. Sorry. How am I supposed to know? Las botas. Yep, good. I heard somebody say it. Boots. Not that difficult. Las botas. And it's not just because you watch Dora. It's because it looks the same. Look, botas, boots. All right. Number 10. We're almost done. This one, the 2 more. So this one and then 1 more. La chaqueta. La chaqueta. This one doesn't sound like it looks for you guys. We have cha, cha. This is the K sound. Just the K. Not a KW like in English where we do qua, qua. No. Ke, ke. Queta. La chaqueta. Think of it like this. But it looks like this. Chaqueta. And this is jacket. Now, I couldn't tell you the difference between a jacket and a coat in English. I think there is a difference. I think one of them is supposed to be thicker, but I have no idea. And our last one, number 11, las gafas del sol. We know sol is sun. So gafas del sol, something for the sun. What do you think it is? Sunglasses. Sunglasses. What do you mean I spelled this? Sunglasses one word? Look at that. I think I'm about to learn something today. Sunglasses is one word. Wow. English is so crazy. Oh, sorry. All right, now we're going to get to some games here. They're going to use some of the words, not all of these words, and some words are going to be new.